Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful, amazing day just like me. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make a BAN GUI in Roblox. So this video may be a little bit long, and I'm sorry if it is. But yeah, let's go ahead and just hop right into it. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make a toggle button inside of your screen GUI, design it however you want. And then also inside your screen GUI, just go and make a frame. And then you can add in stuff like I added a title here. I added error text right here. And then we got the reason box. We got the player's name. And then we of course got our ban button. So yeah, just go ahead and add in all of that because this is what we're going to be using in today's video. You can go and pause the video if you want. So yeah. So so you should have unpaused the video like right after you're done designing. So yeah, let's just go ahead and start scripting. So we're gonna first script our toggle button, just get that easy part out of the way. We're just gonna say scripts dot parent dot mouse button one click colon connect function parentheses, and outside those parentheses we're gonna do enter. So then now we are gonna put if script dot parent dot frame dot visible equals true. Then script dot parent dot frame dot visible equals false. And we'll say else script dot parent dot frame dot visible equals true. Alright, there we go. We're done with our toggle button. It was pretty simple. Now we're gonna go ahead and script our ban button and our script in here. The script in server script service is gonna be kind of a long one, so prepare yourself. But before we do any of that, we have to insert just a simple remote event in replicated storage, and then we're just going to call it ban. And then inside of replicated storage as well, go and insert a folder, and then this folder is going to be called ban items. And then we're going to go ahead and insert a... Oh, here, there. We're going to insert 2 string values. And then we're also going to insert a bool value. So, in case you don't know, a bool value is a true or false value, and then string values is values that contain text and numbers as well. If you just want it to contain numbers, insert a number value. Yeah. So we're going to name this first, nope, not value. We're going to name this first one, player. And then we're going to name the second one, reason. And we're going to name the last one, is banned. Alright, we're done with replicated storage now. Let's go and just insert our script into server script service. So, we're going to make 2 variables. One's going to be, actually, no, we just need to make one. We're just going to call it data, and then equals game, colon, get service, then, parenthesis, quotation marks, sorry, I get this mixed up, data store service, and then we're going to do another colon, and we're going to say get data store, and then here, put whatever you want. Now remember, this is very important to change. Do not name it ban items like I'm going to do mine, because I'm not going to publish this game. But if someone gets a hold of your data store name, then they can basically do whatever they want to any players, like bans in the data store. So make sure that this is like some kind of password, but you'll be able to remember the data store name for it. So yeah, go ahead and just try and remember that. So yeah, that's it. Just do enter 2 times, and then we're gonna say game dot players dot player added colon connect function parentheses. Then we're gonna type in PLR. And then there we go. Now we are going to say local ban items equal game dot replicated storage colon wait for child, and then parentheses ban items, and then we're gonna do parentheses clone, and then colon clone, and then parentheses. So yeah, we're done with that. Now we're gonna go ahead and start inserting our stuff. So we're gonna say ban items dot parent equals PLR. Then we're gonna do ban items colon wait for child parentheses, then quotation marks. Inside those quotation marks we're gonna say player, and then we're gonna say outside the parentheses we're gonna say dot value equals data colon get a sync, then parentheses, then inside those parentheses we're gonna say PLR dot user ID dot and then quotation marks, then underscore player. And then you can actually go ahead and copy this line, because we're just going to change up some stuff. We're just going to change the player to reason. Same thing here. Reason. And then we're going to do the same thing, except we're going to change this player to is banned. And we're going to do the same thing here. Is banned. Alright, there we go. Yep. So next we are going to say if I forgot what it was. Yeah. If ban items, actually no. You gotta say PLR dot ban or colon wait for child, then parentheses, then quotation marks. Inside the quotation marks I'm gonna say ban items, and it's outside the parentheses and the quotation marks. I'm gonna do the same thing, colon wait for child, and then parentheses, quotation marks, but inside these quotation marks we're gonna say is banned, and outside the quotation marks and the parentheses we're gonna say dot value. Actually, we didn't even have to write these wait for child. I just remembered that. That's my bad. Just go ahead and say ban PLR dot ban items, and then dot is banned. That's all we had to do. I'm sorry, guys. And then we're gonna say equals true. Then now here we are going to say technically we can kick them, but say you wanted to unban somebody. What you would have to do is you would have to put another if statement saying if PLR dot name equals, and then print quotation marks. Now inside these quotation marks you would put their Roblox name, or if you just want to be on the safe side, what you can do is you can see, okay, so right here, say I wanted to just to unban myself, all I would have to do is just put official DJ Skyward. But say I change my name, then it's only going to be searching for the player with the name official DJ Skyward, and it won't know that I changed my name. So in order to be on the safe side, you can just go to your Roblox homepage, and then you can search up their name here. Just say official DJ Skyward, or whatever the name is, and click search official DJ Skyward and players. And then just click on their thing, and then you see these numbers up here. This is their user ID. This never changes no matter what. This is basically their, if you've ever learned about cells in class, this is kind of like their genetic DNA. It never changes. So yeah, just go ahead and copy that, and then go back to your Roblox Studio, and then we can, and then instead of player.name or plr.name, we can say plr.user ID, and then equals, and then you do not put quotation marks around these because their user ID is a number value. So you can just put the numbers. Don't put parentheses. Parentheses is for string values. So yeah, and then you can just do that, and then you can say then ban plr dot ban items dot is banned dot value equals no, not equals, just equals, and then false. So when you set this value to false, this is gonna unban them. So yeah, and then after this if statement, in order to ban all the other players that don't have this user ID, you can just do enter, and then you can say else, and then you can do plr : kick, and then parentheses. Then what you're gonna put in here is quotation marks. You can say you have been banned by, then outside those quotation marks, we'll do space, and then outside you're going to do plr ban items player value, and then we're going to do quotation marks, and inside these quotation marks we're going to do space, and then for, and another space, and then outside those we're just going to say plr ban items reason value value. So basically, this is going to say you have been banned by, and then inside this player value, right here, we are going to insert the player that they banned, because there's no need to insert their player name of like, it's just insert, like, we're going to insert the player, like the moderator or whatever that banned them. And then this is, and then we're in the reason value, there's going to be the reason of why they banned them. So then this is going to say you have been banned by, and then because it's a string value, it's going to basically be it's going to say their name, and then for, and then it's going to say the reason. So yeah, to say you don't want to unban anyone, just put this as nil. That's all you got to do. And then, if you do want to, just paste. And then say you want to unban multiple people, just say or. And then do plr dot user ID equals, and then put in a different user ID right there, and you can keep on doing that. But if they join their, if they join your game, I wouldn't keep it there, because then say they need to get banned again, it's never going to ban them. Like, it's always just gonna, it will kick them from the game and saying that you've been banned, but then when they join back, it it won't ban them because it's gonna immediately unban them. So yeah, so when they join their game, just say, hey, have you joined the game? And then if they say yes, and then ask them like, did it unban you? And then if they say yes, go ahead and take their name out of that list. So yeah. So yeah, that's it for that. I'm just gonna paste my user ID right there for right now. Actually, no, I can just put 000. Alright, now outside of this, we're just gonna put something simple. We're gonna say game dot players dot player removing :connect function parentheses PLR, and outside of those just do enter. Yep. So now what we are going to do is we're going to say data set a sync, then parentheses. Inside those parentheses we're going to do plr dot user id dot dot, and then quotation marks, then underscore player, and then we're going to do comma plr dot ban items dot player dot value. Now you can go ahead and copy that line and just paste it 2 times, and we're going to do the same thing. Just make this player underscore reason, and then we're going to change this player to reason. And we're going to do the same thing down here. We're going to change this player to is banned, and then we're going to change this one to underscore is banned. Yeah. So now just do enter 2 times. Now we're going to say game dot replicated storage dot ban dot on server event :connect function parentheses. Now inside these parentheses with the function, we're going to put plr comma player comma reason, and then comma error, and just do enter just like that. Alright, now we're gonna start kicking the player. We're gonna say if game dot players find first child, and player, and then we're gonna say equals nil, meaning and nil means nothing, so like if it doesn't equal something, then we're gonna say then error dot visible equals true, and then just do wait, and then parentheses 3. So this will wait 3 seconds, and then to fire the next line, then we're gonna do error dot visible equals false. Now I think I made a mistake. Oh wait, no I didn't. So yeah, and then so basically this is saying that if it couldn't find the player that we're looking for, because we said game.players find first child, and then we said player because that's going to be the text of what they put in this name text box. Then if it equals nil, meaning nothing, so if we can't find it, then we're going to make the error text visible, this thing, and then we're going to wait 3 seconds, and then we're not going to make it visible. But now say if it does find it, so we're just going to do enter, and then we're going to say else, and then after this else, we're going to say local player to be banned equals game dot players : find first child, and then player. And then now we're going to say player to be banned dot ban items dot player dot value equals plr dot name. And then we're going to say player to be banned dot ban items dot reason dot value equals reason. And then player to be banned dot ban items, excuse me, dot is banned dot value equals and then yeah, it was true. Then finally we're going to say player to be banned colon kick parentheses. Inside those parentheses we're going to insert quotation marks. Inside those quotation marks we're going to say you have been banned by, and then space, outside those quotation marks we're going to do dot dot yeah, plr dot name, and then dot dot, then quotation marks we're going to say space 4 and then space, then outside those quotation marks we're going to do dot dot reason. So yeah, I'm pretty, oh nope, we forgot to script our ban button in our GUI, but it's okay. So yeah, and we're just gonna enter a local script into our ban button. We're gonna copy all of it, and then we're gonna say script dot parent dot mouse button one click colon connect function, then parentheses, and outside of those we're gonna just do enter. Alright, we're gonna say game dot replicated storage dot ban items, no, not dot ban items, just dot ban, and then dot colon fire, no, not fine first child, fire server, and we're gonna say script dot parent dot player dot text, and then comma script dot parent dot reason dot text, and then comma script dot parent dot error. We're not going to do error dot text, we're just going to do error right there. Alright, that should be it. We can go ahead and we'll make this error not visible, and then we'll go ahead and publish this game. Yeah, it may pull up a prompt for you. If it does, just insert your game name that you're inserting this ban GUI into, the description, we got devices allowed and all that. If you ever want to change that, just go in here in the game settings on basic info and scroll down, then you'll see all this. So yeah, and then I'm just going to select cancel because I'm not saving anything in there. Yeah, now I'm just going to go and click close file, and then I'm going to click these 3 dots on the game, and then I'm going to click open place page. So then it opens up the place page right here. And then it says only I can play because it's private, and I have to make it public. And in Roblox Studio, in order to do that, just click these 3 dots and then just click make public, so then anyone can play it. And it will be like on the list of games whenever they search it up. It's not going to be on the front page, obviously, but yeah, once it gets popular, then it will. Anyway, yeah, I'm just going to go and click play. Just let it load. Alright, there. So you can see that our toggle button is working. So now say we wanted to just ban that guy, and then we're just about anything for the reason. Click ban player. See how the error text comes up, just like that. Now let's ban myself. Official DJ SKYWRD. Then the reason is going to be test, and then we're going to click ban player. Then you can see it says you have been banned by official DJ Skyward for a test. Now when we click leave, let's go ahead and go back into the game. And it should immediately kick us. Just give it 1 second to load. And you can see, it still says that I've been banned. And they can do this as many times as they want, and it's going to keep on doing it. Now say, you wanted to unban them. It's easy. Go into Roblox Studio, go to your game, go to your script, that was like banning them and everything, just the one in server script service, and then, it should be on the 11th line. Just change the player.userid to, oops, did not mean to do that. Just change, the user ID right there to their user ID on Roblox. I'm just going to copy mine. And then we're just going to paste it. And then, boom, there you go. And then, yeah, now we'll just publish it to Roblox again. This time it shouldn't pull up the prompt. It should just do that. Now, say people are in your servers. Sadly, what you're going to have to do... sorry. Sadly, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to shut down all the servers, for like, it's only going to do it once, so then they can just immediately join back. Just go to options, just click shut down, and it says, are you sure you want to shut down all the servers for your game? Once you click yes, it will. I'm not sure if anything's going to pop up in the output, but once that happens, it immediately shuts down all of your servers. So your servers will like look like this kind of, and then of course usually they'll just immediately join back, and then it shouldn't kick them like from the server thing, and then it shouldn't kick me because I put my user ID right there, and you can see that it did not. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please leave a like down below if you did, and please subscribe to support the channel. I'm sorry, I know that this was kind of a long video. That's my bad. So yeah, just go ahead and please leave a like and subscribe down below. We got my Discord server in the description below, and then we got the Among Us Discord servers that me and my friends made. It's like some voice chat that you can use on Discord if you want to. You can play with us and other people inside of the server. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. I'm out. Peace.